Welcome people. So this is the last day to apply for the data analytics apprenticeship program by Google, and I got to know it by YouTube. And luckily this is the last day, so I'll be like filling it on the last moment itself. But yeah, let's do it. And as you know, I'm interested in the data analytics field, so this is a good opportunity for me. And I'll be using like Gemini to complete the whole process. So let's ask Gemini about this program just a little bit so that we'll get warmed up to write the proper prompts, and Gemini also be comfortable to know what we are doing, so it will give the relevant information accordingly. So let's draft a basic resume with the help of Gemini. So yeah, I put the prompt accordingly and ask for a data analytics resume. And okay, let's get add another prompt. Okay, so now here comes the real prompting. So I specifically asked Gemini to write a resume that is accepted by Google, like the format is accepted by Google, like the ATS score should be greater than 90%, use the relevant keyword and formatting. After that, add one internship and two proper projects that aligns with the data analyst role at Google. And after that, I just like add a little bit of spice to it, like the resume should be in top 1% and should impress the hiring manager and all. Yeah, so after the prompt, yeah, I also add like the resume should move to the next round. And let's see what Gemini has given us. Okay, a good resume. I didn't expect this to be that much good, but okay. So the skills are not upright to me because I know relevant skills. So I added that the skill should be like Excel, Google Sheets, and SQL. I know basic of Python and basic of Power BI. So the skill should be relevant to that, and the project should align with the skill, because if they ask, I should be able to perform everything and explain to them. So, and I also added to add a volunteer experience or a extracurricular activity to create more impact. And let's see what magic does Gemini does. Okay, okay, yeah, the skills are relevant now, and I think this is the resume that I will be using. After the resume is drafted and I add some editing and adding my relevant information, I again ask Gemini to check the ATS score of the resume, whether the hiring manager will like it or not, and be brutally honest, and will the resume will move to the next round or not. These are the prompts that I have added, and let's see now what Gemini will react to that. Okay, so the ATS score is shown above 90% and relevant keywords are added, and the chance, yeah, so we will have a strong chance. Okay, so Gemini is saying that there is a strong chance. Now I also asked Gemini to draft a cover letter according to the format that's accepted by Google, and it will impress the hiring manager, of course. It will definitely get a chance to move to the next round. So let's see. Okay, the cover letter is also drafted pretty much perfect, like this is a good format. And okay, the projects are and skills are relevant, and okay, team framework is also added. So I like both resume and cover letter. And after editing, this is the last step to upload it. So this is the interface to upload all the relevant information. I hope people you have filled your form for the apprenticeship program. This is okay, the location should be, yeah, I choose the location. Okay, so if you fill the information of the program, please do tell in the comment section and tell me what will be the next step if you know people. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.